Well, that's one of a couple of dozen bills that were passed by state lawmakers last session that have now officially become law.
The laws range from health care to election security. News Center Maine's Jackie Mundry breaks down some of the high-profile new laws.
Bills become law 90 days after the legislative session ends, which in this case is Monday. The new laws represent a range of topics, and one of the big ones is LD 1899, which aims at protecting patients from harassment at abortion facilities. Nicole Clegg is the executive director of Planned Parenthood of Northern New England. She says she and her team already work hard to do that, but laws like this take another step.
We certainly have protesters outside of our health center. We have, safety mitigation programs in place. We have a greeter program. We do everything we can to, reduce the impact. But I don't want to pretend that walking through a line of protesters doesn't have an impact on people who are coming here for care.
Also going into effect on Monday, LD 1862, the Good Samaritan Law. This protects anyone who is assisting at the scene of an overdose from arrest. Members of Maine's recovery community worked on this bill with state lawmakers and say what they came up with could save lives.
I'm really excited that everybody was able to come to the table and really negotiate a good, solid piece of legislation. When I look at the governor's amendment that she first proposed and I look at our amendment that we first proposed, I'm actually more happy with the amendment that we got to.
Maine is now the first state in the nation to ban the spreading of sludge linked to contamination from chemicals known as PFAS, thanks to LD 1911, something farmers across the state have been working towards for years.
I'm terrified by what's happened to our farm. Our levels are incredibly high, and people were saying the sludge was safe then. We're hearing that the sludge is safe now.
Finally, sports betting is now legal in Maine. Online sports betting will go exclusively to Maine's Native American tribes, while Maine's casinos and off-track betting facilities will be eligible to apply for licenses. But the executive director of the Maine Gambling Control Unit said it could take until January 2024 to get the rules sorted out.
Maine is not Las Vegas. Maine is not Atlantic City. Okay, I understand that, but that doesn't make it any lesser of a regulatory responsibility on my part.
All the bills that are now laws are listed on our website and app. Jackie Mundry, News Center, Maine.